Good morning. I am your mini reporter Yankee. I have some super excited news for you today. In the Galapagos Islands, giant turtles are going home. A long time ago, these special turtles lived on an island called Farra Anna, but for many years they were gone. Scientists worked very hard for a long time to help them. They found other turtles. They were related to the old ones and helped them grow. Now almost 160 young giant turtles are back on Farra Anna Island. They are happy to be in their natural home again. That's today's big animal news.